Hello students, in the previous video we have learned about the past continuous form. Do you remember what are past continuous forms? Yes, when we are talking about the continuous action which has happened in the past, okay, which has already completed but it was continuing in the past only, okay. When we are talking about the continuous action in the past, it represents the past continuous form only. And what was the past continuous form? Yes, we need to use the be form verb, that is was or were, and then we need to add ing to the verb plus ing. And can you tell me where do we use the verb was? Yes, was can be used to the singular subject, okay, whether it is I or he, she, it, or any singular subject. When we are talking about the singular person in the past, we need to use was only. And when we are talking about the plural subjects like they, we, you, and also any two names or three persons, see, when we are talking about the plural persons, plural subject, then we need to use were, and the spelling will be W-E-R-E, were. Okay, so when we are talking in the continuous form, means the verb should comes with the ing. For example, play will become playing in the continuous form, okay. And when we are talking about the past continuous form, means I was playing, she was playing, they were playing. These are the some example for the past continuous form. I hope you are clear with what is past continuous form. Let's do some exercise, okay. It is the book back exercise only, which is in your book, page number 48 only, okay. So what do we need to do in this exercise? We need to find out which past form, whether we need to write was plus verb plus ing or were plus verb plus ing. So which suitable past continuous form will be suitable for these questions only we need to find out, okay. Let me read out the exercise name, that is complete the sentences using the past continuous form given in the bracket. You can note in the bracket they have given the verbs. See, clean, bake, work, rain, repair and make are the verbs. Now we need to change them into the past continuous form only. So while changing into past continuous form, what is the form? Yes, we need to add was or were before the verb, and then we need to add ing after the verb only, okay. So let's start doing the exercise. There are 6 exercises given. Let's do one by one. First question, Jaya dashed the pots when one of them broke. Jaya dashed the pots when one of them broke. In bracket they have given clean. So I can translate this like Jaya vandu one of them broke. Jaya vandu clean பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது, pots means you know what is that? Yes, பானியை clean பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது அப்பதான் ஒன்னு வந்து உடைஞ்சது, okay, ஒன்னு வந்து உடைஞ்சது, okay. So that was the translation of this first question. So how can I make this clean into the past continuous form? Yes, first of all I need to check the subject for this question, okay. Before changing the verb into past continuous, I need to check the subject first, because if the subject is singular I need to use was, if it is a plural I need to use were, then I can directly add ing. See here, Jaya means it represents the one person only, right? It refers to the singular subject. When we are talking about the singular person, I need to use was only. So I am going to write was, and then I need to add ing to the verb. What is the verb given? Yes, clean. Clean now will become cleaning. Cleaning. See, Jaya was cleaning the pots when one of them broke. Okay, so Jaya வந்து pots clean பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது, எப்போ clean பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்கன்னா ஒன்னு வந்து உடைஞ்சிருந்தது, ஒன்னு உடைஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கும்போது தான் அவங்க வந்து clean பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. நம்ம இப்படியும் சொல்லலாம், okay. This can be translated in this way also, okay. Or if you are children, what do we need to do? First you need to check the subject for all the questions, and then you need to add ing to the verb, okay. So first question we have done. Let's go for the second, that is why they dash for the bus they saw a peacock. While they dashed for the bus, they saw a peacock. So in bracket they have given wait. It means what? Why means sometime. Okay வா, அவங்க கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு பஸ்க்காக வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது அவங்க வந்து பீகாக் மயிலை வந்து அவங்க பார்த்தாங்க. ஓகேவா, அவங்க மயிலை பார்த்தாங்க எப்போ? அவங்க பஸ்க்காக வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது. So here only we are going to write in the continuous form. So before writing in continuous form, what do I need to check? Very good, I need to check the subject. Here the subject is they. So they, it is a plural. When I am talking about the plural subject, I need to write where. And directly you can add ing to the verb. What is the verb given in bracket? Yes, that is wait. So now wait will become what, children? In continuous. While showing in continuous, I need to add ing only. So the answer will be like were waiting. While they were waiting for the bus, they saw a peacock. அவங்க வந்து பஸ்க்காக கொஞ்ச நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது அவங்க மயிலை வந்து பார்த்தாங்க. This is the translation. Are you clear? Let's go for the third one. When she dashed in the garden, she saw a snake. In bracket they have given verb. When she dashed in the garden, she saw a snake. So work means what? வேலை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்குது, right? So அவ வந்து வேலை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது எங்க கார்டன்ல அவங்க வேலை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது அவ வந்து ஒரு ஸ்னேக்கை பார்த்தா, ஒரு பாம்பை பார்த்தா. So here one action has already completed. Here only we are going to use the continuous form. So while converting the verb into the continuous, I need to check the subject first. Here the subject is this one only before the dash, that is she. She is the subject. She refers to singular person. When we are talking about the singular person, I need to use was only. So she was and work will become working. When she was working in the garden, she saw a snake. அவ வந்து gardenல work பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது ஒரு snake பார்த்தா. Okay, so this exercise very easy, children. First of all, you need to check the subject only. If you find out the subject whether it is a singular, you need to use was. If it is a plural, you need to use were, and directly you can add ing to make it into past continuous. Okay, so we have completed 3 questions. Remaining 3 questions only there. It will be very easy for you and you need to find the answer. Okay, so it dash hard, so we had to take a taxi. In bracket they have given rain. It dash hard, so we had to take a taxi. இப்போ வந்து மழை அதிகமாக பெஞ்சிட்டே இருக்கு. ஸோ அதனால நாங்கள் வந்து ஒரு டாக்ஸியை வந்து எடுத்து தான் ஆகிற வேண்டிய நிலைமை இருந்துச்சு. நாங்கள் வந்து ஒரு டாக்ஸியை எடுத்துட்டோம். ஓகே, எடுத்துட்டோம் பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் இன் தி பாஸ்ட் மெட். ஓகே, மழை பெஞ்சிட்டே இருக்கு, பெய்து கொண்டே இருக்கிறது அப்படின்னா here only we are going to convert into past continuous. So the verb is rain. Okay, what is the subject? It, right? It refers to the singular or plural? Very good, it refers to the singular. So singular means I need to use was, and then the verb rain will become raining. It was raining hard, so we had to take a taxi. This is the correct answer for this 4th question. Let's go for 5th one. Your parents dashed the shed when I came over. Your parents dashed the snake shed when I came over. In bracket they have given repair. Okay, நான் வந்து வரும்போது உங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் வந்து என்ன ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க? ஷெட்டை வந்து ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு கொண்டிருந்தாங்க. Here only we need to write in past continuous. So the verb is repair. What do you need to check first? The subject. Here the subject is parents. Parents represent 2 persons, right? So here this is the plural subject. When we are talking about the plural, which verb we need to use? Was or were? Very good, I need to use were. And what do I need to write? And I need to write the verb, that is repair, and also I need to add ing, repairing. Your parents were repairing the shed when I came over. Na varumbodhu da unga parents vandu the shed repair பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. This is the translation. Let's go for the last one. He dashed a bird house when the hammer broke. In bracket the verb is make only. Again I am going to read out. He dashed a bird house when the hammer broke. Hammer உடைஞ்சிச்சுலே அப்போ அவன் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தான், அவன் வந்து ஒரு பேர்ட் ஹவுஸ் வந்து மேக் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தான், செஞ்சுட்டு இருந்தான். ஓகே, அவன் பேர்ட் ஹவுஸ் செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கும்போது தான் அந்த ஹேமர் வந்து உடைஞ்சிச்சு. நம்ம இப்படியும் சொல்லலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த verb here? The bracket, in the bracket they have given make. So should I write make only? No. What do I need to check? The subject first. Here the subject means he is the subject. He refers to the one person or many person? Only one person. he na avan artham. Okay, appo avana ஒரு person da குறிக்கிறது. அப்போ one person குறிக்கும்போது what do we need to use? Was or were? Very good. I need to use was only. And what do I write next? Yes, the verb that is made. And note it down. When the verb ends with e, I need to remove e from the verb. Then only I can add ing. That is also a rule only. Okay. Whenever a verb ends with e, no, when you are changing into continuous, you are going to add ing into it. Means you need to remove e from the verb. Instead, you need to add ing. See, he was making a bird house when the hammer broke is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this exercise. Keep in your mind, before changing the verb into past continuous, you need to check the subject first. Okay, whether the subject is singular or plural. If it is a singular, means the verb will comes with was. Okay, was, and then we need to add ing to it. Like was cleaning, it refers to the singular subject only. When we are talking about the plural subject like they or we or any plural persons, no, that we need to write the verb, that is the be form verb where, and then only we need to add ing to the main verb. So the verb will, the past continuous form will be like they were waiting, they were cleaning. Okay, it refers to the plural subject only. Okay, so try to do by yourself all other exercise, children. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.